Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This video is going to be for Gemini, sun, moon and rising sign for the first week of the July. In this video, we're going to take a look at your past, present and future situation. I'm going to clarify some cards for you and end the video pulling some advisors. And yeah, that's all. This is going to be general reading, so it might or might not resonate with every single person who watches it. If it does resonate with you, then please do consider subscribing my channel. For the Gemini people, okay, in the recent past there is a 10 of Swords, there is a Moon, there is a 2 of Pentacles, there is a 7 of Pentacles in the present, there is a Knight of Cups in the present, there is the Lovers in the present. For the future we have the Knight of Swords, there is a Judgment, there is the 5 of Wands. Okay, the challenge for the week is the 3 of Swords. For many of you, the challenge for the week is you have to overcome the past situation. Maybe someone broke your heart in the recent past. The challenge for the week is you have to overcome the situation, overcome that breakup, overcome from that suffering, from that painful situation. Whoever who made it in the past, you have to overcome that situation. For many of you, you have to heal from that situation. You haven't moved on from that person. There is this person who is there in your mind, in your head. Okay, the challenge for the week is you have to let go. You have to let it go and end the chapter, close the chapter. That is the challenge for the week. Okay, we're going to clarify in the in the recent past there is a 10 of Swords, there is a Moon, there is a 2 of Pentacles. For many of you, there was a major heartbreak happened. Okay, someone broke your heart very badly. Someone maybe you lost trust about this person in the recent past. You still want to know about this person. Why did this person break your heart? Why did this person made such decision? I see many of you in the recent past was kind of balancing between two options. There was two things in your head about this connection, about this person. You were kind of didn't know what should I have to choose. You didn't know something related to this person, related to connection. You were kind of confused. You were in a confused situation in the recent past. I'm going to clarify it. In the present, we have the 7 of Pentacles. There's a Knight of Cups. There is the Lovers. For many of you, there is a major love, major strong relation, potential relation coming in the horizon in the present moment. For many of you, you just want this. Someone might be rushing into your life. Some water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces might be rushing into your life. You just wanted this connection from very badly. You just very badly from a long time you wanted this connection. I see there is a situation, you guys, someone is waiting for something. Someone here waiting for your opinion, waiting for your decision. Okay, or it could be you waiting for someone's decision or opinion. We're going to clarify it. In the future, we have this Knight of Swords, there is a Judgment, there is a 5 of Wands. Okay, in the future, I see you guys are rushing towards something, okay, in order to know, in order to get the clarification, in order to get the final result, in order to end situation, or in order to end something, in order to finalize something in the future. You guys might be rushing into someone. There's a conflict going on. There may be chances of some disagreement, some arguments, some conflict might take place in the future. In order to get the clarity, in order to get the final judgment, there's a chances of you moving towards someone and fighting for something. Okay, there is some fighting going on in the future. That is the challenge for the week, is you have to overcome this past situation, past broken. You are like a broken heart now. Okay, someone broke your heart very badly. The challenge for the week is you have to overcome it. Okay, you just don't have to stuck there. You have to overcome the situation. Okay, in the recent past, we're going to clarify the 10 of Swords. There was a major heartbreak happened for many of you. We're going to clarify the 10 of Swords. The Ten of Swords is clarified by the Ten of Cups. Okay. Three of Cups. The Seven of Pentacles. Okay. There was a situation for many of you dealing with your connection, dealing with your person. You just wanted a reunion with this person, or you just wanted to hang out outside, reconciliation. You just wanted a get back the connection with this person, but that person really didn't make any sort of decision or didn't take any action towards you. They stayed up silent, and you stayed up waiting for this person. I mean, waiting for that person. You didn't get any reaction from that person. You had been patiently waiting for that, and finally this person didn't really express anything with you. That broke your heart very badly, because you had been waiting for this person. In the past, we have the Moon. Something is hidden, something is being secretive, someone is being secretive. I'm going to clarify the Moon for you. Moon is clarified by the Knight of Wands, the King of Swords, the Queen of Swords. Okay, there might be chances of there was two parties involved in the recent past. I am getting it could be fire sign, that is Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, or some air sign, Gemini, Aquarius, Libra. Okay, there's a chances of two parties involved in the recent past. Okay, you have to decide between two parties. Maybe someone who just interrupted between you and this connection, who made a presence, who just have some influence with your heartbreak. Okay, maybe chances that you have two person in your head. You don't know whom to choose, what to choose. There was a two situation. Finally, you ended up juggling up. Finally, you ended up not knowing the answer, or not knowing the final status of your mind. What should I have to choose? Where should I have to lead? You ended up juggling or being confusion. Okay. In the present, I see there is some love connection, major love connection coming your way. You have been waiting for this connection from a very long time. I'm going to clarify the Lovers for you first. There's a new potential connection coming in the horizon. Oh. There's the Death. The Lovers is clarified by the Ace of Cups. For many of you, it's a new love. It is not like you're going back to someone. There's a Hangman and the Ace of Swords. Okay. For many of you, there's a new love coming your way in the present situation. There's a fresh new start. You are giving it a fresh new start. You just want to come out of this stuck position. For many of you, there's a chances you had been waiting for this person, waiting for this connection from a very long time. You have been hanging on in your mind, thinking about this connection, thinking about this person, waiting for this person. For many of you, there's a chances this person could be coming your way in the present situation. They're offering you love. There's a new starting of the relationship going on in the present situation. You'll get to know clarity, like you'll get to know you'll be like, finally, for many of you, there was a confusion situation in the recent past. Finally, you're going to get clarity about this connection, about this person. There's a chances of new love emerging. There's a Knight of Cups, someone entering in your life in the present situation. I'm going to clarify the Knight of Cups. The Knight of Cups is clarified by the Temperance, the Six of Swords, the Eight of Swords. Okay, this person is kind of not letting you know many things, like you just want to know so many things about this person, about this potential relationship which is coming in the present horizon for you. You want to know about this person. Okay, this person is kind of, you are trying to know many more things. This person is kind of not letting you know about themselves. They're stuck, like not letting their feelings, they're not opening up, they're being stuck in the situation. You really want to know about this person who is coming your way, who is not expressing you anything. Okay, for many of you, this might be this person wants a connection with you, new starting with you. That is why they're into your life. That is the reason why this person is making move towards you. This could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces and Scorpio. In the present moment, I see you guys are waiting for something. You haven't given up on something in the present moment, or someone haven't given up on you. This could be either way. The Seven of Pentacles is clarified by the Chariot card, the Knight of Cups. Okay, the Magician. Finally, I feel like for many of you, there's a chances of your past rushing into your life in the present situation. They're making a move towards the situation. It's like finally you'll be getting what you wanted. Many of you going to fulfill it in the present situation. Though this person stays secretive, though this person stay not letting their emotions, though this person like act like they don't want to express anything, I see there is in the present situation you'll get clarity about this situation. Okay, you're going to get it. There's a chances of you reconnecting with this person and starting freshly. You're starting your relationship, giving it a fresh start. There's a chances of giving it a fresh start. In the future, there is a Knight of Swords. You're rushing into someone in order to know the judgment, the clarity. You still want to know clarity about something. You're going to clarify the judgment. You're finally getting some clarity. You just want to get some clarity about something. In the future, we're going to clarify the Justice. Justice is clarified by the Queen of Swords, the Eight of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles. Okay. There's a chances you'll be getting messages towards this connection, towards this person in the future. You wanted to know something about this person. You'll be like somewhere there's a chances this air sign, someone from the air sign, there will be someone who is coming your way in the future. They might deliver you something in the future, deliver some sort of messages towards this person, towards this connection. You wanted to know about this person from a very long time, but you'll finally get to know about this connection. Finally, you'll get the clarity and you'll be fulfilled in the future. You'll be happy. Okay, there's a Five of Wands. There's a conflict taking place in the future. We're going to clarify the Five of Wands. This is the challenge is all about. You'll let go. You have to let go the past. You have to let go the heartbreak situation. The challenge for the week. The Five of Wands is clarified by the World. Okay. The Two of Cups. The High Priestess. Many of you, you're not letting go the connection with someone. You just, for some of you, it's kind of ending a connection with this person. Though you don't want to let go, but still, many of you, I see you guys are ending this connection with this partner who had been in the recent past. Okay, because there is something, someone is being secretive here. In the future, there's a chances of you're fighting in order to know something, in order to get clarity. You guys are fighting for it. Okay, there's a challenge, the same thing. It's like you are finally getting to know something, like overcoming the past situation, from the heartbreak situation. Finally you will overcome. There's a challenge for the week. We're going to pull some advice for the Gemini people for the first week of the July. Okay, the advice for the week is nothing will come of this situation. You just don't have to try to know anything about this connection. Okay, nothing will come out of the situation. Someone will stay being secretive. Someone might not express what their genuine thinking about you, genuine views about you. Someone stays silent. Someone might stay secretive. You might not get anything. Though you fight with this person, though in order to know about this connection, you might fight against someone. There's a chances. So finally, you might not get anything from this conflict, from this argument. So end it up now. Okay, end and move on. End that connection, end that breakup situation, and move on. Move on from that breakup situation. That is all I have for the Gemini people. I guess you got your messages very well. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.